Every 3 years, new technology enters the pharma world, and every 10 years, the entire industry changes its shape and form to a new way of doing things. 20 years ago, when I passed out, biotech was a new thing in pharma. So biosimilars, generics, all that was a new fashion. But 20 years down the line, we are seeing a game-changing technology. Now, I'll not just talk about that technology, I'll also talk about how these trends are transforming into traditions. Now, you have to be very, very careful about this. See, many new things will enter the pharma industry. And as a pharma professional, you'll be like, okay, this is going to be pakka working, this will definitely work and I'll learn it. But those trends die also. So we have to analyze and strategize and find that trend which will actually convert into the tradition of the pharma industry. And that will be told to you only on PharmaNika channel, because we are analyzing constantly all the trends, all the traditions from the pharma industry. Now, having said that, there are top 5 or 7 new trends or technologies which you can see, but all of these are not subject specific, these are role specific. And this is where the education system fails, because in our pharma degree, they teach you pharmaceutics, pharmacology, pharmacognosy, all those are generic subjects, but role-based training is not given. For example, regulatory affairs, for example, clinical research. So these are role-based training. So in 2026 and beyond, as a PharmaNika subscriber, for you, it is very important to analyze that the era of subject-based training is gone. Subject-based education and degree is gone. Role-based training gets you a job, and that is where skills comes into picture. So what are the skills you need to learn in 2026? Now, what are those? The first one is biotech and pharmaceutical research skills, lab skills, hands-on skills, wet lab skills. Second one, pharmacovigilance and drug safety awareness. Number 3, regulatory affairs knowledge. Number 4, clinical trials management. Number 5, very important, data analysis in pharma. Number 6, communication, documentation and reporting. Number 7, digital lab and AI tools. You see, when we started our career, how molecules interact was all inside a lab. Today, it's all inside a computer. That trend is now a tradition. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is now changing the shape, form and face of pharma industry. Learn AI and implement AI in your deep domain expertise. That's how you will win. So all these 7 or 8 fields which I told you is going to explode in 2026 and beyond. So be ready and follow PharmaNika, because that's where all things pharma will happen. All the best.